Compass Health bought a bunch of these MoonBeam units to take care of COVID issues when we've had active cases of the virus. The MoonBeam is a UV disinfectant system using a wavelength that kills and disrupts the DNA inside organisms. We use it to primarily kill COVID, but it works on anything. We perform approximately 125 treatments a week. Our dental clinics are all on a schedule, so they get done at least 1 or 2 operatories at night. And then if there's a positive case, we will go in and treat up to, I think the largest we've done is 70 rooms overnight. We use PropertyTRAK for the MoonBeams by entering as an assignable asset, as they are a portable unit, so we can place it at whatever location we need it for the time. Clients in the building will put in a service request. We get the work, flip it to a work order, and send the people out to treat the space. We can track how many times we've used the system by pulling a work order list. We do have the checklist, and we are able to track when we bought the unit, when the maintenance is due on the unit, when the warranty, which is massive on a unit that's expensive, when that is done, as well as the parts that need to be replaced, such as the light bulbs, batteries. We can track all of these items inside PropertyTRAK.